Hey there, Natalie May here from Lindys Stamp Gang. Today I'm going to give you a bit of a talk through my fabulous floral cards project. I've started off using a 300 GSM watercolour paper by Express Graphics. I like a nice heavyweight paper, and I've stamped my images in black archival ink. The images that I've used here are from Darkroom Door, a fantastic Australian company. I've used Fine Flowers, Brushed Sentiments, Fine Butterflies and Fine Flowers Volume 2. I started off using the new colours in the magical shakers, gave them a little sprinkle over my paper, added some water and allowed the colour to just boom. I've taught these cards at my local scrapbook store here to a great bunch of ladies, and they had so much fun. We used a combination of magicals and the shakers, and the results were outstanding. Each of the ladies made up a little wash of magicals and water in a palette, coloured their stamped images, fussy cut them and adhered them to the front of their cards. Look at that black forest black magical, divine. I love the intensity that these colours give on watercolour paper. They are absolutely spectacular. So I'm going to leave you having a bit of a look through some of the cards that I've made. As you can see, they are eye-catching. They look fantastic. Lots of fussy cutting going on and perfect for all sorts of different occasions.